there are not enough people on this ward. There are not enough doctors. There are not enough nurses. It's not well organised enough.
Right.
The NHS has been destroyed. It's been destroyed. It's been destroyed. And now you come here for a press opportunity.
Well, actually, there's no press here.
What do you mean there's no press here? Who are these people?
Sir, we need to stop raising your voice.
We're here to actually find out what we can do.
Well, that's not going to fix things now. It's a bit late, isn't it? I mean, years and years this NHS being destroyed. And you're telling me there's no press here? Well, there's no press here.
As far as I'm aware, this is not a.
This isn't a press opportunity. You didn't invite the press here. You didn't ask them to come. You don't have a press handler back there. Okay, well, fine. Well, in your la la land, believe whatever you want. Thank you.